The Air Max 95 Green Strike charges into fall 2025 as part of Nike's expanding racing pack, a theme that first picked up speed earlier in the year with bold Air Max 90 colorways. Now, the spotlight shifts to the 95, dressed in a sleek mix of jet black and stormy light smoke gray along the midline and sidewalls. Bright green strike hits in the visible air units inject energy, while striped 3Mi stays and themed insole branding lock in the motorsport inspiration. Though only seen in G's sizing so far, Nike has a track record of rolling out adult versions after youth releases, so a wider launch seems likely. This high-octane design follows the nostalgic cues and retro branding seen in the AM90, continuing the momentum of the racing pack. More colorways are expected to follow, cementing Nike's strategy of mixing heritage styling with speed-infused visuals for the colder seasons ahead.